हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो तुम लोग। आज आपको टॉपिक पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं मोशन ऑफ चार्ज पार्टिकल इन अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। एंड इन दिस टॉपिक आई एम डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द लॉरेंज फोर्स। Lorentz force, in chapter first you are study the when a charged particle enters in the electric field, it experiences the electric force, and when the charged particle is entered in the magnetic field, it also experiences a force, that is the Lorentz magnetic force. And Lorentz magnetic force, Fm. Lorentz electric force is indicated by the letter Fe. Fe is the QE. If Fe is equal to Q into E, where Q is the charge on the particle and E is the electric field. And when the charged particle enters in the magnetic field, it experiences a forces, that is the Fm, Lorentz magnetic force. Fm is indicated by the QV cross B. QV cross B means QVB sin theta. And the Lorentz, it is based on, it is the sum of the two forces, force due to the electric field and force due to the magnetic fields. F is equal to Fe plus Fm. Lorentz, it is based on the name of the scientist Lorentz. F is equal to sum of the Fe plus Fm. QVB sin theta, where theta क्या? Theta is the angle between velocity v and b. थीटा, इफ थीटा इज मिनिमम, थीटा की वैल्यू अगर मिनिमम होगी तो लॉरेंज मैग्नेटिक फोर्स कम होगा। एफ एम विल बी इक्वल टू जीरो। क्यू वी बी साइन थीटा, थीटा इज इक्वल टू जीरो, साइन जीरो जीरो, एंड एफ एम इज इक्वल टू जीरो। एंड व्हेन द थीटा इज द मैक्सिमम, थीटा की वैल्यू 90 डिग्री होगी, इट मीन्स एफ एम इज इक्वल टू क्यू वी बी साइन 90, एंड साइन 90 इज इक्वल टू 1, then F will be Fm is equal to QVB. And the Lorentz force, it is the net effect of the force, sum of the force to the electric field and force to the magnetic field, where both the fields occurs. When the charged particles in the region where the electric field as well as the magnetic field are occurred, then the charged particle experiences a force. That force is known as the Lorentz force. Okay बच्चों, अब लॉरेंज फोर्स को हम इस कुछ स्लाइड्स के माध्यम से आपको बताना चाहेंगे। इस स्लाइड्स में कुछ सीखिए और देखिए। इसके बाद हम इसके बेस पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस देंगे, कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स देंगे, उनकी प्रैक्टिस करिएगा। हाँ, तो स्लाइड्स आपको दिखानी थी, स्लाइड्स देखिए। लॉरेंज मैग्नेटिक फोर्स। एंड लॉरेंज मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, ए करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर प्लेस्ड इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस ए फोर्स, which means that a moving charge in a magnetic field experiences a force. And this expression for this is given by Fm is equal to Q V cross B. Fm is equal to Q V cross B, or Fm is equal to Q V B sin theta and n, where n is the unit vector and theta is the angle between B and B. In the figure also, Q is placed at the origin, and B is the direction of the magnetic field, which is along the x-axis, and the force acting on the charged particle is perpendicular to the B and V. V is the velocity of the charged particle, and F is the direction of the force acting on the charged particle, B cross V, and perpendicular to B cross V. Theta is the angle between B and B. And now we are discussing about the cases. First case first, if the charge is at rest, means that is V is equal to 0, velocity of the charged particle is 0. In this case, Fm is equal to 0 from this equation. Fm is equal to QVB sin theta, and if V is equal to 0, then Fm will be 0. So a stationary charge in the magnetic field does not experiences any force. And the second case, if theta is the angle between B and V, if theta is equal to 0 or 180 degree, that is if the charge moves parallel or anti-parallel to the direction of the magnetic field, in both the cases Fm is equal to 0. If theta is equal to 90 degree, third one case, अगर दोनों के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री है, if the charge moves perpendicular to the magnetic field, in this case the force will be maximum, and Fm is equal to F maximum is equal to QVB, and the direction of the force is B cross V. B cross V, F is the third vector and the direction of the force is given by the cross product B cross B, BV sin theta perpendicular to B and B. Okay, and this is the Lorentz magnetic force, and Lorentz force sum of the electric force and sum of the magnetic force. And now second slide is Fleming's left hand rule. Stretch your left hand finger, thumbs, forefinger and middle finger. All the three are the mutually perpendicular to the each other. And forefinger shows the direction of the magnetic field. Center finger, or you can say the middle finger, shows the direction of the electric field, the direction of the electric current, and the F thumb will indicate the direction of the force acting on the charged particle. The Fleming's left hand rule, in this by using this rule you can find the direction of the force. Now again, if the center finger, forefinger and thumb of the left hand are stretched mutually perpendicular to each other, and the center finger points to the current, forefinger points to the magnetic field, then thumb points in the direction of the motion or force on the current carrying conductor. Okay, and then next, force on the moving charges in a uniform electric and magnetic field, where the points where the both fields are occur, electric field and magnetic field. Then when a charge Q moves with velocity v in the region in which both electric field and magnetic field exist, then the Lorentz force is given by F is equal to QE plus QV cross B. Taking Q common, QE plus V cross V. Okay, and then आपको नेक्स्ट 2-3 क्वेश्चंस न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स देंगे, उसको आप सॉल्व करिएगा. ओके बच्चों, आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा लॉरेंज फोर्स किसे कहते हैं. लॉरेंज फोर्स समराइज कर दे रहे हैं. लॉरेंज फोर्स सम ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स एंड सम ऑफ ड्यू टू द सम ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स Fe प्लस Fm. एंड कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स आपको देंगे, उनकी प्रैक्टिस करिएगा. और इसके बारे में और भी आगे इस लॉरेंज फोर्स का यूज़ है, वहाँ पे आपको फिर से दोबारा स्लाइड में फिर से वीडियो बना के भेजूँगी आपको. ओके, थैंक्स बेटा.